Hey, Michael Yost here from Strategies. I want to share one tip with you to make your new year in your salon or spa absolutely awesome, and that's pre-book. Right now we're in early December. We're seeing everyone now at the holidays. That's why we love this time of year. But we always lament the doldrums of the new year. Not if you pre-book. And let me share 2 tips with you to really lock pre-books in. The first thing is always use a date when making a recommendation for a booking option. Why? Because it looks like this. If we say to Mrs. Jones, we'd love to see you again in 10 weeks, Mrs. Jones doesn't know when 10 weeks is. But if we realize that 10 weeks from now, when we say, Mrs. Jones, we'd love to see you at Valentine's Day, that makes sense. We know dates in our personal lives. We know our birthday, we know our anniversary, we know our kids' graduation. We know dates. Always make sure you use them. Second thing that you can do is this. Always make sure you assume the pre-book. Never ask for it. How many times do we walk into businesses where they might ask us, do you need help? Our immediate answer is no. We take the path of least resistance. That answer is no. So never ask a question. Always assume the pre-book. Mrs. Jones, we'd love to see you again in 6 weeks. Let's find the best time for you. That puts us right at the end of January. Here's the time for you. We assume the pre-book. We don't ask for it. So take those 2 tips with you through the rest of this holiday season and have an absolutely fantastic new year.